Hello everyone, welcome back to Arpita's Tech Corner. In this video, we are going to learn about aggregation with our having clause. And check the description section of this video to get the GitHub details. First, you need to log into our PostgresQL, then go to the database which you have created in the previous video and select schema. Here it is our public schema, then go to the table section. So, we are in this PostgreSQL. Now, we have to use the having clause with the aggregation function. Let's write some query here. For example, select distinct. Okay, let me select the customer field. For example, the customer name field from the customer table. So customer table name dot our field name is this customer name. Okay. Just remember we have to give this double quote because here we have this space. Now comma. Let me use some aggregation function sum, and for example I will find the sales value from the sales table. So first I will write the sales table, then the sales column. Okay, sorry I missed that one. Okay, so this is our select query. Now from first is our customer table and then comma, sales table, then the where condition, where customer table dot customer ID equal to sales table dot and the customer ID from the sales table. Okay, so we put the joining condition. Just let me check this one. Okay, this is fine. Now I have this where clause. I have used this some aggregation function, so I have to use the group by clause here. Group by, what I need to put? This customer name column. Now why we need the having clause? For example, if I run this query, then I will find all the customer name, and for that customer name this total some sales value. Let's run this query first, and we have all the customer name. Okay, I want to limit this data. How will you do that? But based on some value. How will you do that? For that reason I am using this having clause. Having, when the sum of this sales value greater than, for example, 5,000, then what will happen? Now I have the data 117. Okay, so the data is limiting to this based on this sales value. Okay, we can limit our search and also we can define some reasonable amount of information what exactly we need. Maybe we need some top 5 information or top 10, so based on that we can increase this value. Okay, so this is one of the example of this having clause. See another example. I'm just copying this complete statement here, and I have this customer name. Let's use something called count function, and what exactly I'm going to count? Count the order ID. That means how many orders actually that means how many orders are there for one corresponding customer. Okay, so dot order ID. Okay, and I have to change, no, group by clause is fine, but we have this count clause. So let me check more than 25 orders. I'll just replace this function here, 25. So how many customers are there who has this more than 25 orders? There are 29 customers. Let's order by this count data. Okay, so it should be in a decreasing way, high to low. Okay, so this person has the highest order from this company. So in this way you can use the having clause in your SQL data analysis project. If you like this video, please share with your friend and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.